In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of text in Figma. Changing the color of text in Figma is a fundamental skill that allows you to customize your designs and ensure your typography perfectly aligns with your brand or project aesthetics. It's a very straightforward process once you know where to look, and understanding this simple adjustment opens up a world of creative possibilities for your designs. Let's walk through it step by step so you can easily modify your text colors with confidence and precision. The very first step to changing any property of a text element is, naturally, to select it. So, you'll begin by simply clicking on the text you wish to modify within your Figma canvas. When you click on the text, you'll notice that a bounding box appears around it, indicating that it's now selected. At the same time, the right-hand sidebar in Figma, which is your Properties panel, will update to display all the editable properties for that selected text layer, including its font, size, line height, and, crucially for our purpose today, its color options. Make sure you click on the text layer itself, not just try to edit the text content, as we are looking to change the overall color of the text block. Once your text layer is selected, direct your attention to the right sidebar. Scroll down if necessary until you locate the Fill section. This section is typically where you define the color properties for various elements, and text is no exception. Text in Figma is treated similarly to other shapes in terms of its fill color. You'll see a small color swatch next to the word Fill. To open the color picker, simply click on this color swatch. This action will launch an intuitive color selection interface, giving you a multitude of ways to choose your desired hue. Now that the color picker is open, you have several options to change the color of your text. You can drag the circular selector around the color spectrum to visually pick a new color. As you do this, you'll immediately see your text on the canvas change to reflect your selection, providing instant feedback. Below the main color spectrum, you'll find a slider that controls the hue, allowing you to cycle through different basic colors, and another slider for opacity, which determines how transparent or solid your text color will be. For more precise color selection, you can also manually input specific color values using hex codes, RGB, or HSL formats. This is incredibly useful if you're working with brand guidelines that require exact color specifications. Additionally, the eyedropper tool is available within the color picker. Activating it allows you to sample any color directly from your canvas, or even from anywhere else on your screen, making it easy to match existing colors in your design. Once you're happy with your chosen color, simply click anywhere outside the color picker, or press the Escape key to close it. Your text will now display in its new color. And just like that, you've successfully changed the color of your text in Figma. It's a quick and essential skill that empowers you to create more visually appealing and cohesive designs.